If you don't like waking up early, but still value nature, then you're in for a crow-tastic surprise. Roosters are famously noisy in the morning, but it's not just random chatter. These feathery alarm clocks crow to establish territory and assert dominance. Their internal biological clock, or circadian rhythm, triggers this behavior just before dawn. It's their way of saying, "This is my turf." Even artificial light can trick them into thinking it's morning, which means the crowing can start earlier than you'd like. So the morning noise isn't just nature's wake-up call, it's a daily ritual of power, rhythm, and survival. Next time you hear that loud cock-a-doodle-doo, know it's not for you, it's for every other rooster in earshot. Hit that subscribe button and leave a comment if you have a suggestion.